Okay. Hello, hello, hello. What's up? Let me fix this. Okay. I guess the input and the video is clear. I will not be checking the video. Yesterday's video was good enough, I guess. I also didn't check that one. But nevertheless, the pipeline is ready, so I don't have to do anything. Everything is set up. Um, First, today is 2025, December 23rd, or I could say it like 23rd December 2025. So what we will be doing today, yesterday we looked at day 2 of ML in GeeksForGeeks. We looked into the data types and operators, basically going through all of it, while also trying to look into further articles. So today we will be looking at loops, functions, and basic OP in Python. It will take some time, I guess, but I want to do day 3 and day 4 today, but I don't know how I will do it. Yesterday I was too sleepy. Um, I guess I'll be doing these two today, but we'll see. We'll see. Hope these two will finish in 1 hour or 1.5 hour. So if that happens, then we can finish, I guess. If one finishes in 1 hour, then 2 hours is enough. But these are all basics, okay? This is just getting started with Python. I know little bit of Python, but these will just enhance. There are a lot to learn, so I don't want to skip anything that I think I know, but there could be something like, okay, I don't know is what I have to say. I guess yesterday's question were too hard, or I did a lot badly in that. So we'll be looking into it. First, let's warm up 5 minutes. Uh, I'll set the timer for exactly 5 minutes and will not go more than that. 5 minutes is enough, I guess. And after we warmed up, then we'll start. Okay, I'm setting up this screen by the way. So, okay. Now, where's the display capture? Oh, here it is. Okay, it's ready. We'll start. Yeah, yesterday I completed this afterwards, and then I tried this. I had fun, but this one is also a little bit hard. Okay, let's do it for 5 minutes. Then we'll go and do this one. Then deep learning one I'm doing for Python. I will complete it off screen, and Google's one we will look after this whole. As a additional, there are a lot of topics there also. I want to learn math too related to this. I know linear algebra and stats. I'll say I know a little bit about everything. So I have learned, okay, I have learned many things, but I can't remember it, or I can't keep on use, I can't use it well enough, okay, what I have learned. So that's the problem. That's why I'm doing this. With this database, I'll be having a partner, or sort of, I'll say accountability partner, okay? So I have accountability that I have to sit here for 2 or 3 hours to complete what I thought I would do. So this is just accountability partner. And wait, I have to select stream. I have to look if anyone has come to my stream. One views, that's enough. So never mind. Let's start. 2 minutes, 3 minutes already gone. Why, Shifty, why? Why are you giving me such a hard time? My shifting is. Shift is not shifting. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Washington wanted to be a soldier. I always say soldier. Speed was 58 to 66. Okay. Oh, it's already gone, bro. Have I? Oh, there's no notification, so there is one. Anyway, it's done. So I'll be doing this for last. Anything happens, I'll do this for last, and let's start. is also fine. I'll take it. Fine, decent. Okay. Let's start. Just start. We'll just start. Okay. I'll be also explaining things. I will be wrong, so don't listen to my explanation. Is what I believe, but nevertheless, I'll see what this does. For loops is used to iterate over a sequence such as list, tuple, string, or range. Okay, a range 0 to n. It allows to execute a block of code repeatedly once for each item in the sequence. Okay, so for loop just does if I here if n is equals to 4, so n is 4, right? Uh, for what for does is for I, let I be in range of 0 to 4, so I will be going in a loop until uh, n n means 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, but range will not go for 4, it will end at 3. Okay, it will loop for 4, but the value will be the I value of I will be 3. Okay, so what this does, oh, let's do this. If the range is from 1 to n, then I will range from 1 to 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, uh, or if I do what this basically does, range 1 to n does is uh, it will give a range of value from 1 to what the range does. Okay, do in Python. Okay, look, it generates an immutable sequence of integers. It is commonly used for loop specific times to access elements. Okay, a number on demand lazy evaluation rather than creating an entire list of numbers in memory at once. Okay, the range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increments 1 by default and stops before specified number. Okay, start optional. Okay, and stop, then step is also needed, but you can do it like this: start, stop, step. Okay, that's it for range. The code prints the number from 0 to 3 inclusive, means up to 3 only, uh, using a for loop that iterates range from 0 to n minus 1, okay, where n is 4. And for each, it checks the condition. Condition uh, is last item reach. Is it n minus 1 or nth item? If it's nth item, then it will exit from the loop. If it is not, it will go on further loop. Okay, now iterating over list, tuple, string, dictionary using for loops in Python. Okay, in list there are 3 values. You can iterate list without range, so it is an iterable variable. Okay, iteratable variable. X will go print gigs, then for, then gigs, then for, then gigs. Okay, and tuple also is a iteratable variable, but this is immutable and this is mutable. Okay, we can't change the value of tuple once it's created, but we can change the value of list once it's created. Okay, so it will go for gigs again, and for s, a, b, c. So for x in s, it's a string. String. Wait. String. Okay. So string also a, b, and c it will go. For loop will go for one word at a time. Then for dictionary there is key and value. Okay, for it will make a key value pair, and it will print for x it can print d, where x and the value, the s is key, and d is value, is integer, this string, so it is printing like this. We can do it like this. Okay, we can print x and d of x. Okay, in d x represents key here, and d of x represents the value, so it will print like this. We need to add this modulo. I don't know this. We can do this. Okay, we can do this. Yeah. What will happen if I do this? What error will it slow? So there was no, there is no error. So this, what create this printing? What is it printing? S and D, then X and 123. 123. What does this modulo do? Oh, it will add this. Okay, okay, okay. Got it. Go for there, go for here. Okay, got it. So module also does this. Okay, and in set also, it is also like tuple and this. So we can iterate it. It's iteratable on 1, 10, 20, 30. Iterating by index of sequences. We can also use index of elements in sequence to iterate. The key idea is to first calculate the length of the list and then iterate over the sequence within the range of this length. Okay, this, and this for index in range of length, li, and so li index is 0 in length. It will go for length of this whole, so it will be GeeksForGeeks. Okay, len will give the length of this function, and range will give the stopping value. Okay, the starting is optional. So explanation, we can, why do I explain? I can just read this, right? This code iterates through each element of the list using its index and prints each element one by one. The range len list generates indices from 0 to length of the list minus 1. Okay. While loop. In Python, a while loop is used to execute a block of statement repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. When the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in the program is executed. The line immediately, what? The line immediately. Okay. The line immediately ends. Okay. The while loop immediately ends after the loop in the program is executed. In below code, loop runs as long as condition cn. Oh wait. Dog dog गरिस है Oh shit. I didn't. What? I didn't unmute. Mute. Sorry. I didn't mute. I don't know why it's unmuted, but I did mute it. Nevertheless, let's start again. In Python, a while loop is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. So this we already talked about in below code. A loop runs as long as the condition C and D is less than 3. It's true. Okay, and loops run as long as the condition C and D is less than 3. It's true. It increments the counter by 1 on each iteration and prints hello geek 3 times. Okay, we can't do C and D plus plus because of that. Our answer in uh, previous course was wrong. So we have to manage add and hello geek when C and D is greater than 3 to stop hello geek hello geek hello. Okay, easy. While this condition and this must be placed for us to know that it's in the indent, so we have to do indentation here to know these two statements are inside the while loop. Okay? Infinite while loop. If we want a block of code to execute infinite number of times, then we can use the while loop in Python to do so. Code given below use a while loop with a condition true, which means that the loop will run infinitely until we break out of it using break keyword or some other logic. Note it is suggested not to use this type of loop as it is never ending infinite loop where the condition is always true and we have to forcefully terminate the compiler. Uh, okay. If I click, okay, I can make it like this also. Fine. I brought something to it. This is radish. Okay. Code given below uses a while loop. Mm. Time limit exceeded. Wow. Huh. I can do this. Will this work? Don't think. I'm such a dumbass. It printed 1 lakh times. What am I even doing? We have to finish this. Let's read. Also, lambda function is annoying. So Oh, it just loops for this much time and then does nothing. Haha. Half of the time I'm just eating. I'm learning also, okay? Ah, so function name parameters return will return the function value to function call. Mm, calling function. This is the function. Okay, defining a function and this calling a function. You can just write function name and parameters to call the function. Then it will call function arguments. Function arguments and parameters. Docstring. Okay. Default argument is a type of argument in Python where the function defines the variable with its predefined value if there is no argument passed in calling function. So if I pass, oh wait, let me run it first. It will give x, y, and 50. Then if I run the command it will overwrite it and give 88. Okay, it's enough keyword. Okay, so the parameter name is explicitly defined in calling function to get to let go of the order. Okay, if we don't know the order of student taking f name and l name, we can just, if we know the parameters, we can just name them and send them. We will this output. Hmm. This is the plain plain function. Right? Anyone there? No one. Why am I doing it like a horror movie? It's not a horror movie. Arbitrary arguments. In Python, arbitrary keyword arguments can pass a variable number of arguments to a function using special symbol. Mm, there are two special symbols. Args in Python, non-keyword argument, KWARG in Python, keyword argument. Nothing special, just writing args and quarks for keyword arguments. Oh, oh, lambda for x gives x. That's a function. Oh, okay, okay. Anonymous function. Return statement in function. Return statement ints a function and sends a value back to the caller. It can return data type, multiple values packed into a tuple, or none if no value is given. Return expression parameters. Return ends the function. Expression is the optional value to return. Default to none. Defaults to none. Okay. If not things given, to default to none. Okay. In Python, variables are references to object. So it is a reference to objects. Variables are reference to object. When you pass them to a function, the behavior depends on whether the object is mutable like lists, dictionaries, or immutable like integers, strings, tuples, mutable objects. Change changes inside the function affect original object. Immutable. The original value remains unchanged. Pass by reference and pass by value. Technically, Python uses pass by object reference. Mutable objects behave like pass by reference, so it will give that variable memory, while immutable object behaves like pass by value. It will just pass the value, and those two are separate. Huh? Recursive function. A recursive function is a function that calls itself to solve a problem. It is commonly used in mathematical and divide and conquer problems. Always includes a best case to avoid finite recursions. Marvel is so in my mind. Marvel is so in my mind. I read this incursion. Okay. Factorial and return one. It's factorial using recursion. So no, recursion. So recursive factorial n minus one. It will call itself with depleted value. Means if it's factorial of 5, then 4 into 5 into 4 into 3 to 2 into 1. Factorial 0 is 1. So factorial 4, 24. Here we have created a recursive function to calculate the factorial number. It calls itself until a base case is 0 is equals to 1 is met. Then n is equals to 0, it will give 1. So we're at lambda function. It's already okay. Lambda functions are anonymous function. Means that the function is without a name. As we already know, def keyword is used to define a normal function in Python. Similarly, lambda keyword is used to define an anonymous function in Python. In the example, we define a lambda function to convert a string to its uppercase using string to its uppercase lambda function func upper print s1 s2 s1 is given in s2 as a function GeeksForGeeks lambda function that takes a string and returns its uppercase. Applying it to GeeksForGeeks gives the result. Syntax: lambda arguments and expression. Lambda the keyword to define the function, comma separated list of input parameters like in a regular function, a single expression that is evaluated and returned. So it's anonymous function. Use cases of lambda function. Let's see some of the practical use of Python lambda function using with conditional checking. A lambda function can include conditions using if statements. Here, the lambda function uses nested if-else logic to classify members as positive, negative, or zero. Lambda, lambda x when given argument x. Positive if x is greater than 0. Right. Else negative if x is less than 0. Else 0. Right. This is else, why is there two else? Oh, so else and if. This is else if. Can't we say elif? Oh, we can't because we can't separate the values, I guess. It uses nested if as statement to return. Checks divisibility by 2 and returns accordingly. And if cuckoo. Oh, after if we have to add else. So lambda function works like that. This lambda checks divisibility by 2 and returns even or odd accordingly. Even if this else odd. Okay. Explanation: the lambda checks if a number is divisible by 2 or returns even or odd. This approach is useful for labeling, pricing, using with list comprehension. Combining lambda with list comprehensions enables us to apply transformations to data in a concise way. This code creates a list of lambda functions, each multiplying its input by 10 and then executes them one by one. This argument arg x given x multiply 10 for x in terms of 5 list output I. Multiply by 10 and executes small like 1 by 1. Okay. What is the argument, by the way? If I print this, what will the outcome be? What if it's 0? What is this? Come on, stop. Explicitly given. Okay. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 4. 1 to 4 in range of. Okay. Okay. Explanation: the lambda function multiplies each element by 10. The list comprehension iterates through li and applies the lambda to each element. This is ideal for applying transformations to datasets, data pre-processing, or manipulation tasks. Dataset transformation given like. Okay, I think using for returning multiple results. A lambda function do not allow multiple statements. However, we can create two lambda functions and then call the other lambda function as a parameter to the first function. The lambda calculates both sum and product of two numbers and returns them as a tuple. X and y. Uh, X and y as x and y plus 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, princess. Using with filter. Filter function in Python takes in a function and a list as arguments. This offers an elegant way to filter out all the elements of a sequence for which the function returns true. Here, the lambda is used as a filtering condition to keep only even numbers from the list. And the list arguments. This offers an elegant way to filter out all the elements. And and lambda function all the elements of sequence for which the function returns true. So if the function returns true, then there will be list. If we do this, it will just give the object memory location. So can got it. Even will filter out this and on list. In nums, in n, 1 will go here, 2 will go here, 3 will go here, and so on. And it filters it out, use the true values. Using with map function in Python takes a function and adds a list as. That's why. Bro, how is there 2 views? Who are watching this video? Who are these psychos? Which docs and docs here, docs here. I have to refresh the page. Is there no chat? Wait, I'll Okay, chat is working, but I don't know why they are coming and going. Never mind. We'll just continue. Map function takes in the function and this as argument. The function is called with a lambda function and a new list is returned with all the lambda modified items returned by that function for each item. First, each element of the list using a lambda function returns a new list. A map lambda a and lambda. Okay, so it will give one, doubles it, gives another list. Okay, so like filter, but okay, it will return if it's true, but it will just return everything. Using with reduce function in Python takes in a function and list as an argument. The function is called with the function is called with a lambda function and a variable and a new reduced result is returned. Reduce function in Python takes in a function and a list as an argument. The function is called with a lambda function and an iterable and a new reduced result is returned. This performs a repetitive operation over the pairs of iterable. The reduce function belongs to the function functools module. Here the lambda multiplies two numbers at a time and reduce applies this across the whole list to calculate the product. So like this is factorial. Yeah, 45. Oh, everything will be zero. Wow. What am I even doing? Okay. Operation across the list. The lambda multiplies two number at a time. Okay. It will apply these two and these two. These two gives the value in B. Reduces the value in B. Difference between lambda and def keyword. Okay. Ah, I'm always eating. Oh, this is a GIF. Haha. OP. Uh, Object oriented programming. The fundamental concept of Python. This is like a constructor. Init is like a constructor. Init. Yeah, constructor is source 3. But this self. There it is. Self parameter is reference to parental sets of the class. Oh, so this is sense. It allows us to access the attributes and methods of the attributes and methods. Say, allow self parameters. Self name. Got it. Get the setter. What is that? Object instantiation, instantiation. This is, we know, is a struct. Python objects, unit method, Python automatic called, initializes attributes. Class dog, class variable, species, init name and name, objects, body, Charlie, species, class, variable, instance, variable, and operated instance, variable, dog 1, name, max, row 2, species, can, body, Charlie, max, and fin. Yep, species. Both species are the same. Done. What the problems? All the problems. So let's look at the accuracy. This accuracy is too low. Okay, moderate. Jumping through while. Okay. Let's look at this first. You are given a string S. You need to print its character at there's no sound in this. So I have to put it in charge. Alright. As you need to print its character at even indices. Index starts at 0. Print its character at even. Okay, please go through the range function to understand how to jump 2 steps. Examples: Dr. Phenomenal, Docofenoema, Geeks, GES. Okay, okay, okay. I have to use range. Complete this. Okay, I'll complete this. In range, what is range? S, length of S, right? Up to starts from skips to from 0. So from 0 to length of S up to skipping 2 to including character and separating character by nothing. the character and separating character by nothing. In does that, and yes, compile and run. Please work. Should work. Expected and my output is same. Phenomenal. What are the other two things that I can see? Can't I see that? Okay, Geeks. Geeks expected output. I know about that. Output is some G's. Test case processed 0 out of 100 test cases, and it would be wrong. Why is it taking so long? Congratulations, you are one more step close to Python programming. With if, else in Python and for loop in Python. While loop in Python is like in CPP and Java. CPP is C programming language, but here you have to use call to end while statement. Statement below to print the number and decreasing order. Not use in parameter with print to separate numbers. This output of this process will while x is greater than or equal to 0, that timer run again. My output okay. So 54% accuracy, so I have to do better here. Let's see, given a positive integer x, the task is to move the numbers from 1 to x in the order as 1 power into 10. I give 10 in decreasing power. Output 149 should be good here. What am I doing? X equals to oh wait, let me see if this is not good. I have to put more deeply. Okay, what I have to do is print 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Okay, for here they will give me the input to 10. I have to go up to 10. X is 10. n plus 1 means 1 plus 2
Come on, jump, jump, jump out in. Come on, jump, jump, jump out in. Come on, jump, jump, jump out in. Come on, let my boot by the side. Let my boot by the side. Come on, let my boot by the side. Let my boot by the side. Come on, let my boot by the side. Jump, 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 jump,
while n minus 1 so then this is my output.
jump, 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 jump,
Printing n power 4, then 9. Oh shit. Oh sorry. I'm such a dumb kid. Shoot. I got it. I am just running. Should be less than time limit. N is less than x. When x is 10, 1 is less than exit time. To optimize the code for better performance, consider the logic used to calculate the power of 2. Instead of repeatedly squaring the number 2 n in each iteration of the loop, think about a more efficient way to calculate the powers of 2 without unnecessary calculation. Powers of 2 unnecessary calculation. Am I just dumb or what? Print increasing power. Okay. Am I dumb? Given a positive integer x, the task is to print the numbers from 1 to x. 1 to x, 1 to x, 1 to x, in the order as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Five, five, two, fours are hard. It's not hard. Is it this hard? So what am I doing? If there is a given number, I have to print it in order of this, and there is 25 access to 25. 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should go in with 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer should not be greater. Look to jump in powers of that and do that. Look to jump in powers. If the value of n is then only n. Otherwise, increment. What is n here? N is equals to n. What is n? It didn't compute for 100. For input 100. I tried so hard. What is wrong with 100? 9/19 test cases passed. what am I doing? Why is this correctly? Marks is already added. Start and jump. Okay. Loop to jump down. While X. Otherwise, start. It's the same. There are two variables and jump here is jump only and start will be incremented to start. Oh, okay. So clever, so clever. You very chalak, bro. This is just the mundane way of doing it.
Guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die. My guys know that they fly. These brothers might ride or die. Guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die. My guys know that they fly. These brothers might ride or die. Unless you heard it from me, got it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. All the energy. Unless you heard it from me, got it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. All the energy. Guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die. My guys know that they fly. These brothers might ride or die. Guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die. My guys know that they fly. These brothers might ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? I gotta do what I do. I'm really here on my ones now. I gotta do what I do. One instead of 4 3s or 2s. I gotta do what I do. I'm really here on my ones now. I gotta do what I do. One instead of 4 3s or 2s. Unless you heard it from me, got it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. All the energy. Unless you heard it from me, got it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. All the energy. Guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die. My guys know that they fly. These brothers might ride or die. Guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die. My guys know that they fly. These brothers might ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard?
I did it like this.
I'm really here on my ones now. I gotta do what I do. One instead of 4 3s or 2s. I gotta do what I do. I'm really here on my ones now.
Here one integer n is given. You need to write the complete function return value of long late and we can't finish two shit. Here one integer n is given. You need to write the complete function return value. That takes an n as a parameter and uses the return keyword to return the value of n. Complete function return value function. Done. We can just use lambda. Why is there 62% accuracy here? Bro. Bonkers. This problem has no input. You need to write the function hello function that brings hello. रिस्क नहीं लेने का रे बाबा, रिस्क लिया तो गया। हेलो hello hello. Quiz. To include the use of functions which are present in random library, we must use the option import random. Option import random. Yeah, input random. What? And there is answer, bro, right here. What will be the output of the following code? Outer, chain, inner, non-local, x, non-local, x plus 5, return x, return inner, closer, outer, return x, so inner will return 15 and outer will return inner, so it's 15. Closer is calling outer, so there is no word. Outer is being called, so inner will be also define inner, so inner will go there. X will be garbage, x will retain 15, and closer again 15, 20. The non-local keyword allows modification of x inside the inner function. It maintains state between function calls. Draw! Who knew that? Never mind. What is the call? What is called in? What is called in function is defined inside a class. What is what called? Which of the following is the use of id function in Python? Id returns the identity of object. Every object doesn't have a unique id. All of the mentioned. This probably it's object in Python. Use id function returns the object id. Function a b append a. Its list and value of a. This is this. What is the after the top one? One is popped. Index for anyone. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Yep. Height index is oh, it's one. Also which type of Python methods the else will execute once. What were the questions from the this strings in Python. What are ton of tasks? Relax. This is the article we just read yesterday. I can read this. In Python, a string is a string of characters inputs. It can include letters, numbers, symbols, or species. Python has no separate character type. To a single character is treated as string equivalent to one. String directly linked to the data type. This both case the same, creating two equivalent strings. Double quotes, both are same. GFG, a multi-line string use triple quotes or uh, triple quotes or triple double quotes for strings that span multiple lines. Convention preserved, finding style, learning GeeksForGeeks. I'm not a geek. I am a geek. Accessing characters index starts at 0. This syntax specialization is string starting, where start is starting index and end is stop included. So end before the end it will stop. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, 4 will not be printed. 1, 0 to 2, 3 will not be printed. 3 to all. And from first this will reverse the string. Damn, I was trying to figure it out what this was. So this will reverse the string. Interesting. So string in iteration, string iteratable. You can look through characters. Updating a string. As string are immutable, updates create. Stripe strip and replace the stripe remove. Repeating, I have already done cross. Inside strings, unions, yeah, formats is the simplest and most simple way to finish this. Can we actually finish this? I don't think we can. Python list in Python, a list is a built-in data structure that can hold an ordered collection of items. Unlike array in some languages, Python lists are very flexible. Can contain duplicate items. Mutable items can be modified, placed, or ordered. Maintains the order in which items are added. Index fields. Items have access to position starting from here. Can store data types, even other lists. Creating a list can be created in several let you have two same type value. Set doesn't let you have but tuples one, two, three, inserts extend adds this adds multiple elements of the list clears element of list example of the indexing we looked into it yesterday, right? So no need to do it. Iterating over list. Action for item nested list. List of 3 order 1 2 means 0 1 1 0 1 2 0 0 0 1 0 1 of 0 1 of 1 Bro, I'm such a eater, damn. I'm such a foodie. These are I just keep eating. It's only 2 hours, but I have already ate 3 meals. Damn. We can access nested elements by chaining indexes. Yep. We've come to answer. talk about okay, I have to let's do this ASAP. Let's quickly do this it was removed. Five marks find out output of the following program 1, 3, 4 5 tuple, right? 5 will be we tried it. This 5 will be 6. Yep. Look, that tinkering beats made it cool. We tried to do this. Otherwise, I would have picked we have to tinker with code to we tinkered in the article. Interesting. Pushing this. Oh, this is the last one.
each element in list represents the character of each element. Got it. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, done. What I said was, let's see. We'll do dictionaries, tuples, and sets tomorrow with string in Python. That's left, and 221. 2160. So, okay. Fine. What is cutoff is 2160. Can I get 2160 for questions and answers? So, about that. Okay, that's it for today. We'll not be doing typing too. So we'll do dictionaries and tuples tomorrow, string that problems also tomorrow, and see you then. Bye.